Welcome to the Debt-Free Dreams. Today, we're diving into an exciting and fast-growing world, crypto gaming. If you've been wondering how to make money playing games powered by blockchain technology, this video is for you. From play-to-earn mechanics to NFTs and Metaverse economies, there are countless opportunities to turn your gaming skills into real learnings. Stick around for actionable tips and tools to maximize your profits in the world of crypto gaming. Look in the description below for links to the helpful tools I mentioned. Part 1. What is crypto gaming? Crypto gaming combines traditional gaming with blockchain technology. Unlike traditional games, wherein game assets have no real-world value, crypto games allow players to own, trade, and earn real money from digital assets like NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and in-game items. Here's 3 reasons why it's a game changer. 1. True ownership. With NFTs, you actually own your in-game items. You can trade or sell them for profit. 2. Play to earn. Many games reward players with cryptocurrency just for playing, offering a legitimate way to make money while having fun. 3. Interoperability. Blockchain technology enables players to transfer items and currencies between different games. Part 2. 5 ways to make money with crypto gaming. Method 1. Play to earn games. Play-to-earn games allow players to earn cryptocurrency or NFTs as rewards for completing tasks, winning battles, or leveling up. 3 popular P2E games include 1. Axie Infinity. Earn tokens by battling and breeding creatures called Axies. 2. Gods Unchained. A free-to-play card game where players can earn NFTs and trade them for cryptocurrency. 3. Decentraland, a metaverse where players can earn by creating, buying, and selling virtual land and assets. Method 2. Trading NFTs. NFTs in crypto gaming include virtual land, characters, skins, weapons, and more. You can buy low, sell high, or mint your own assets to generate income. Use marketplaces like OpenSea or specific in-game marketplaces to trade NFTs. Method 3. Staking and yield farming. Many blockchain games allow you to stake their native tokens to earn passive income. For example, staking $SAN in the Sandbox or $XS in Axie Infinity can provide consistent returns. Method 4. Streaming and content creation. Leverage platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok to share your crypto gaming journey. Showcase gameplay, offer tips, and review new games. Monetization options include ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Method 5. Earning from Metaverse economies. The Metaverse combines gaming, virtual reality, and blockchain. You can earn by creating and selling digital goods, renting virtual land, or even hosting virtual events. Games like Decentraland and the Sandbox offer thriving Metaverse economies. Part 3. Tools to optimize your crypto gaming earnings. To succeed in crypto gaming, you need the right tools to track your earnings, manage assets, and stay informed. CoinStats. Monitor your gaming token portfolio and track market trends. TradingView. Analyze price movements of gaming-related tokens like $SAN, $XS, and $MONA to maximize trading opportunities. Glassnode. Gain insights into on-chain activity for gaming cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Koinly and Zen Ledger. Simplify tax reporting for your crypto gaming income and stay compliant. Part 5. Pros and cons of crypto gaming. 3 pros. 1. Earn real money while playing games. 2. Ownership of digital assets through NFTs. 3. Opportunities to participate in metaverse economies. 3 cons. 1. High initial investment in some games. For example, buying Axies. 2. Market volatility can affect earnings. 3. Risk of scams and rug pulls in poorly designed games. Crypto gaming is revolutionizing how we think about video games, combining entertainment with real earning potential. Whether you're a casual gamer or a blockchain enthusiast, there's a wealth of opportunity waiting for you. If you're ready to start your crypto gaming journey, check out the links in the description to explore tools like CoinStats, TradingView, and Glassnode to optimize your profits. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money with crypto.